Hey guys, how's it going? Just gonna do a quick video today on my 75 Civic. I recently lost the key to this car, just the ignition key. You should always have a spare. I guess that's the lesson learned. And I knew that, but I just never got around to getting a couple spares made. So I lost the key, and now I can't start the car. So in today's video, we're gonna go into replacing the ignition lock cylinder, and then hopefully the one I have fits. If not, we're gonna probably have to hot wire it or something. So stay tuned, should be an interesting video. Let's get into it. Forgot to mention that I'm not at my house, so I can't just get all the tools I need. I just had to bring some different tools that I think I'm gonna need to get this job done, because I'm just out in the middle of nowhere. So let's start by getting this plastic like column cover off, and then we should have access to the ignition lock. Here's a look at that. This is an extra I have, came off of a parts car. I'm hoping that this is the right one. It's a 78 Civic, and it's got a little bit of a different column, but I think it's the same lock. So let's get this off quick and take a look. Okay, I was able to get the plastic off. It was just 4 little screws to get that off, and then I was able to get this unplugged. Plugs in right there. Not sure what all this stuff is. Looks like someone did something at one time. Anyways, bad news is that this other ignition out of the 78 Civic has a different plug on it. So this one's a lot smaller. It is, this one's got like 8, this one's only got 6. So technically we could take the wires from this and make it work, or we could just hot wire it. But either way, we still need to get this off, because right now the steering's gonna lock, you know, and so we need that to be able to drive it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start drilling these out. Have like no heads on them because it's like a safety lock, so people don't steal your car. Anyways, so you could either cut a slit in it, but since I'm in the middle of nowhere, I can't do that. So I'm just gonna drill these out, and then we should be able to split these things apart and then get that off. Oh my gosh, that was so much work. So we got the old ignition off. Okay, this is just a reminder, just go get a key right now. If you're watching this and you don't have a spare key, just go get one, because it'll save you a lot of work. So my plan is you can see that there's 4 wires going into the back. So I'm guessing that's, you know, the start position, power, ignition, kill, all of that. So I think those are the 4 main ones I need. So what I'm gonna do is take this plug off right here, and then I'm gonna use the same 4 wires. They're the same colors right there, and I'm gonna just plug those 4 in, and then the other 2 wires that are in this right here are just coming from this little thing. I'm not sure what that little box is, but it's got 2 wires coming out too. So I'm gonna switch those over quick, and then I'll show you guys how it looks, and then we'll put it back on and hopefully it'll start. I have no clue. The other option, I guess, is I think you can punch that out and then take out the whole lock assembly. And so I guess we could just switch it, and then we could reuse this whole harness, but I don't know. I think this is gonna work, so I'm gonna just do this quick, and then I'll bring you guys back and we'll try to start this thing up. Okay, there we go. We got that all switched over. Here's a look at which wires go where. But yeah, I think I did this right. Basically these 4 on the right are just like the main ones that you see right there, and then these other 2 go to like this little side box, which I'm not sure what it does, but anyways, I think I did this right. Let's really hope it does, because I'm not trying to like fry this wiring harness. That would really suck. So I'm gonna get this plugged in. These 2 wires are extras. I think one of them's hot, so we'll keep it away from everything. But yeah, let's plug this thing in and see what happens. I swear, if this burns my wiring harness up, I'm gonna be so mad. I honestly could just call a locksmith and get a key made probably for this one. But you know, if you've been watching the channel, you know we do things on a budget here, and I'm not trying to pay like 200 bucks to get a key made. So okay, let's see what happens. Let's see if I can hold this so you guys can see. Oh yeah, sweet. I think it worked. Car's not starting, but let's give it some choke. Make sure that the kill button works, or like the kill switch works. Oh yeah, back in business. Okay, let's make sure this thing, yep, and it shuts off. Awesome. So I just got to cap these wires off, and then that's basically all it is. I'm gonna get this bolted back on, get this plastic put back on, and I think we should be good to go. So that's kind of how you convert a 1978 ignition from a 75. So I don't know if that helps anyone or not, but I kind of went through the process of different ways in how you could do this. You could take this lock cylinder out, you know, and switch it. You could get a key made probably for this. You could hot wire it. Lots of different options. So hope this helped you guys out, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for me, and we'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.